Hello, I am Pratik Nagpure, Assistant Professor of Entomology. Today's our topic is on metamorphosis. What is meant by metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is the change in form that occurs as an insect's approach to adulthood. You can see in the image clearly. After that, types of metamorphosis: a metabola or a metamorphosis, in which no metamorphosis, the insects in the metamorphosis have only three stages: egg, young ones, and adult. The hatched insect resembles the adult resembles the in all respect except for the size as called as juveniles. Molting continues throughout the life, for example silverfish. After that, hemimetamorphosis. The hemimetabolous life cycle consists of egg, nymph, and adult. The nymph or immature insect resembles the adult in form of eating habits, differing in the size, body proportions, and color patterns, for example, dragonfly. Porometabola or gradual metamorphosis, in which the nymph develops to reach the adult form by molting approximately 13 times. The second last nymphal stage shows the presence of wing pads, which shows the presence of wings later in the last stage of the adult. Okay, so small adults resembles growth at mature stages and live in the same habitat as adult and eat the same food. In this parametabola, what happened actually? Parametabola is the process of the gradual metamorphosis. Parametabolous is the type of growth that occurs in insects such as cockroaches, which include just three stages, that is egg, nymph, and adults. It is called incomplete metamorphosis or parametabolous since it lacks the pupa stage. You can see here clearly in the picture, that is the cockroach egg. After nymph, only wing pads have developed, not fully wings developed. After that, a cockroach, that is parametabolous development, and it is found in cockroach. Holometabolous in metamorphosis. Complete all holometabolous metamorphosis is characteristics of beetles, butterflies, and moths, flies, and wasps. Their life cycle includes four stages, that is egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Larva differs greatly from the adult. You can see in the picture eggs, larva have different feeding habits, pupa, and butterfly, that is adult. Adult have different feeding habit. The larva and adults have different feeding habits, and it is actually present in the holometabolous metamorphosis. One again type is hypermetamorphosis. This is a peculiar type of development which consists of two or more types of forms of larvae in the life cycle of the insects. In majority of the cases, the first larval instar is compatiform and the subsequent larval forms depends on the type of mode of life of the larvae. Example, in blister beetle, that is Coleoptera of the Meloidae, the first larval instar is a campodiform followed by scarabiform larval type. Thank you.